Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at atomic structure, subatomic mass, mass number and atomic mass, electron number, and finally an exam style question.
Atomic structure. Here we have a diagram of a small atom. In the middle of our atom we have a tiny nucleus. Our nucleus is tiny in comparison to the rest of our atom, and it's incredibly dense, containing most of the mass of our atom. Now in our nucleus we have protons and neutrons. Our protons are noted here in red and our neutrons here in blue. Now as our protons and neutrons exist in our nucleus, they can also be known as nucleons. Then we have our shells of electrons orbiting round our nucleus. Now, these electrons sit in their shells in an order of 2 electrons in their first shell, 8 in the next, and 8 in every shell after that. Now, we'll be going further into detail into electron shells and the number in each in a later video, but that's just a note so you understand what's happening. Now to look at relative mass and charge. Now, we talk about this relatively, because if you think about it, an atom is so small that you can't see it. So the subatomic particles of protons, neutrons and electrons are going to be even smaller. So we must give them mass and charge relative to something else. In this case, we're giving it to a stable isotope of carbon-12. We'll go further into what relativity means later on. So if we start with our proton has a relative mass of 1. Our neutron is a similar size to our proton and has a relative mass of 1 as well. Now, as I said before, our electrons are incredibly small. They have a relative mass of 1 over 1,840, an incredibly small number, and much smaller than that of protons and neutrons. So our relative charges. Our proton, if you think of P for positive, has a relative charge of +1. Our neutral, N for neutral, has a relative charge of 0. And our electron has a charge of -1.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.